Is he dead? I thought he was going to kill you. I've got 3 kids and a record. Once the police see this and I think that is it.
I'll sort this. Leave it to me.
What are you talking about?
I said I'll sort it. What? Now go. I'll deal with this.
I don't know what stupid stuff you're trying to pull
It's my dad! It's my family, right? There's a problem. I'll sort it.
Will you call them or should I?
Ben! Whoa, all right. Got a problem with your hearing or what?
Oh, for God's sake.
What do I have to do? Do I actually have to use this thing, huh? Or are you not just gonna do as you're told? No, this is my family. It's my dad. End of. Hello?
Just taking Bobby to Wolf Felice. He's got his first shift tonight.
Oh, good luck, mate.
Are you doing anything tonight? Look, if you get a chance, right, just drop in. All right, I don't want you to check up on him, but I just want you to be here, okay? I know I'm fussing, but...
Looking after family is what it's all about.
Right, here you go, then. You ready? So.
Ben! You seen your old man?
What?
So?
Maybe he's gone ahead.
We need to sort things out first.
Maybe he's already sorted.
That's a lot of maybes.
Why are you asking me? You're his brand new wingman.
Okay, Ben. I got the message. Look at sledgehammer.
Still got to meet Ben. Yeah, we'll go out later in the week, yeah? Yeah, and lunch tomorrow, okay? On me. I'm sorry, Lou. I'll make it up to you. Yeah. I need an ambulance. Quick, please. It's my dad. I think he's been attacked.
There's a fair bit of blood from a head wound. Please put a trauma call ready for arrival.
Just help him, please. I've got to phone Sharon, his wife. Tell her what's happened. What do I say?
Tell her we're taking him down to Wolf General.
She's going to want to know how he is.
No, not more then.
Well, just before you found your dad, did you recognize this person running away?
I thought I did. It's ridiculous. He can't have anything to do with all of this.
What's his name?
He works with us. He's one of us.
Name. Name.
Keanu. Keanu Taylor.
Go!
I picked up Louise's messages. How's Phil? What's happened?
I was hoping you could tell me.
What?
Dad's been attacked.
Attacked?
Shirley said you two were rowing earlier, is that right?
You think this is down to me?
I ain't thinking nothing. And I haven't said anything to Sharon or Louise neither. Wanted to talk to you first.